ZANU-PF Information and Publicity Department Director Fanai Marapira commenting on the attempted assassination of former United States President Donald Trump 2 days ago, saying there must not be any violence against the candidates during the campaigns ahead of the November presidential elections. Ashperi mushe mure Zimbabwe vanhu vojamuka voti aiwa bato reZANU-PF haringambodziri United States of America kuti ite peaceful campaigns, ite peaceful elections. Aiwa mure Zimbabwe ashperi mushe sanapinda mashoko abuda nyungwa the news hawks kuti bo subscribe like kotina on the bell icon. Chendrambira nyora vachiti yet his own party is responsible for systematic attacks, maimings and killings of opposition supporters and candidates at home. A whiff of cynical opportunism, not a democratic and principled stand. From the 1980s to last year's polls, ZANU-PF has consistently used violence and intimidation as well as brazen fraud to win elections. Thousands of people have been killed, some brutally murdered by ruling party activists, its militants and state security forces, particularly during elections, leaving ZANU-PF with no credible moral high ground whatsoever. Mashoko anobuda nyugo pana kuti aiwa ZANU-PF ingambudzi America kuti gava exercise peaceful elections ngavarege kuita violence. Achitaura muno munews hawks vari kutaura chiti aiwa ZANU-PF kubva 1980 inozivikanwa nekuinsista violence and abduction, torture. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro penhau izipena kumene section medu, so no subscribe, like, so turn on the